Hi, I'm Chris from the Entrepreneur Realm, helping you with your YouTube channel one video at a time. In this video, I'm going to go over the 3 reasons to create a YouTube channel. 1 is to get over being camera shy. 2 is to help other people like me growing their YouTube channels. 3, push myself out of my comfort zone. And a secret 4th one would be to give value and hopefully get subscribers. Make sure you stick to the end of this video because I will go over what videos I plan on making next. Right now, I'm nervous and I'm reading from this notes that I've already typed up. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos and I'm taking action with creating this channel and video. My goal is to get better with speaking in front of a camera and to help other people with this issue. So this channel is meant to be first a documentation of my steps and progression of being on YouTube, but to also give a pathway to some other people who might be interested in doing the same. My end goal is to become an online entrepreneur, which I am sure that if you're watching this video and wanting to make a channel, that you will be looking to do the same as well. Some of the things that I have tried that haven't worked for me, which I possibly blame on the so-called gurus and coaches that have paid over the course of 2 years at least $2,000, combined with the courses, themes, Shopify monthly fees, etc. And they all don't tell you that you need a lot of money for testing various things, and as someone who lives paycheck to paycheck, it's something that I don't have time and as someone who lives paycheck to paycheck is something that I don't have the money. But what I do have is time in the evenings when I come home from work to work on this project. Here are some of the things that I have tried or thought of trying over the last 2 years. 1 is Shopify. The reason that didn't work out is because I didn't have the capital to test in ads and it was getting way too expensive. 2, social media marketing. The part where you would create social profiles and manage other businesses with creating pictures and videos and doing Snapchat stuff, and that just wasn't for me. 3, an ad agency for basically running Facebook ads and getting leads for businesses, and they pay you for doing that. 4 is creating or having my own computer side job that I would fix people's computers on the side. I don't want to do that because I want to work from home and that's not scalable for the amount of money that I want to be making. So now I'm on to creating my own personal brand and YouTube channel. This is something that I'm kind of passionate about because this is something that won't cost me anything but my time. Time to create these videos, and it will also expand my knowledge arsenal because I will be learning by doing and by following other people who have followed this path as well. So thanks for sticking to the end of this short video, and here's for what I promised. Here are some videos topics that I'm thinking on creating. 1, getting your first 10 subscribers. 2, how to properly use tags and descriptions. 3, how to get more watch time. 4, the tools I use to grow my YouTube channel. 5, tools I use to record and edit my videos. And 6, any other videos that my subscribers, you, would be looking to watch. Also, if you like this video and would like to be notified of future videos, please subscribe and take that notification bell so you're notified of when I release a video. I will try to release a video at least twice a week, and please, my watchers and subscribers, please hold me accountable for that, as if you hold me accountable, it will push me to do work on this project and I will get better at it because I'm learning by doing. Thank you and have a good day.